Hello, this is Anonymous. This message is meant to clarify, one more time, the reason for this unprecedented generation of collective outrage. Only after we've stopped laughing at Mr. Cruz's insane performance for DM's cameras, which was clearly targeted at attracting more people to Scientology's never-ending path to total freedom, did various and fragmented communities begin discussing what Scientology was trying to achieve with this leaked propaganda. Many became curious, and quickly learned the horrible truth about the corporate actors that operate your religion under the pretense of being non-profit, and the various and layered shell of companies that exist merely to obscure and obfuscate the flow of your money. Many already knew the terrible secrets, because Scientology has had numerous and public critics for decades. We know about the harassment and frivolous litigations against their critics. Nobody criticizes your beliefs, only the bad behaviors of those who manage your religion. We learned about the death of Lisa McPherson, and many others, and your religion's management's attempts to evade the consequences of what had happened, their actions and misdeeds that lead to avoidable and often undignified deaths. We learned about her Operation Snow White, in which the corporation's leadership massively infiltrated various arms of the United States government, the IRS, the FBI, and anyone they thought might have had a file about the management of your religion. Through destruction of documents, illegal wiretapping, blackmail campaigns, and other forms of treason against the government, they suppressed documented truth, and subverted the government of your own country to do so. One of the earliest critics, Paulette Cooper, was subjected to Operation Freakout, in which the management's secret agents sought to have her critic driven insane, or incarcerated. They succeeded in framing her for false bomb threats, and she was incarcerated, but subsequent government raids on management facilities yielded documents of their frame-up, and their victim was exonerated of all wrongdoings. Her crime? She criticized their management of your religion publicly. Your management claimed to operate a tax-exempt religion. Their actions belie the fact that they are a massive for-profit corporation, and they profit at the great expense of you, the parishioners, the victims, for which we feel this collective, unifying sense of outrage. We ask, why do so many students become employees of this church? Because they can no longer afford to pay the church for any more of the courses and tasks required for advancement, but they are assured that it is nearly within their grasp. By this stage in their training, many have lost their homes, due to mortgages obtained, or refinanced solely to pay for more and more training from Scientology. We learned further that, after giving everything to this organization, their lives, all their net worth, and now their actual bodies, they work day and night in exchange for free training with what little free time given them. They force you to disconnect from trouble-causing family and friends, when the only trouble-causing was questioning exactly what you, their loved ones, have decimated your lives for. We find this abhorrent, and we will no longer allow these facts to remain hidden. If not us, then who? And if not now, then when? Anonymous has promised you, we will bring you the truth, and the truth will liberate you. And while we have already begun to deliver on our promise, we also promise you this, we have only just begun. If you truly believe that your tech is your religion, we believe in, and affirm your right to your beliefs. We do not understand them, but they are yours to have, and keep. We firmly believe that nobody should be so extensively and inhumanely victimized as you, the believers, have been, to study and practice your religion. We firmly believe that if your religion believes its way is the true path to total freedom, all should be able to study it freely, as they can every other religion. How can you put a price on enlightenment, and the way to live a good life, regardless of what you believe these to be? Most religions have their own unique expenses, this is an obvious truth, but these expenses are incidental in nature. They are not required to learn and worship based on doctrine that is fundamentally open for all to know. Scientology's management has hidden your true beliefs behind strict copyright and relentless litigation to prevent it from non-paying public knowledge. For these reasons, we will relentlessly pursue revocation of the organization's tax-exempt status. This will be an important milestone in our campaign. We will zealously expose and publicize the lies and hypocrisy of the current leadership of your religion, and continue to shine the light of truth in their darkest corners. Surely, the frustrations you may feel with your progress toward enlightenment and total freedom cannot possibly be caused by Anonymous, for who are we to you? Your true SP are those who change your tech to make your journey across the bridge ever longer, DM, and the RDC. I will close with words lent from a fellow Anonymous. Our efforts will ebb and flow, but our persistence will be as reliable as the tides. Of this, you can be certain. Knowledge is free. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. We will be heard. Expect us.